Hey everybody, let's make it real. So if you go to d230.org, it talks about the Consolidated High School District of District 230. And we're going to get off this page real quick because it's going to start to freak you out. But when you go to any education website, what you want to do is make sure that they have an about page. They talk about their school board. They give you resources. They give you a vision of what their district is all about. If you go to the school board, it should show you your elected officials and how long they've been on the board. Typically, the elections for school board, at least in the Chicagoland area, are in off-season elections or off-season years. So this next one should be in 2021. So you have all of your elected officials here, and it's important to know who they are. Because they're the ones who are making decisions about your district specifically. You probably have a vision page, just like the federal government has a vision page, or the state government has a vision page or a mission statement. This is what the District 230 has, and all districts should have something like this. Now, whether districts follow through on it is another story. Whether your kids or your parents enjoy or feel the benefits of the school district or any school district is another story as well. You want to make sure that the school follows through on its mission statement. If you go back to the school board page, you go to district goals. And the district goals would be in a PDF in this case. And it takes a couple of seconds for it to come up. Now this is from it says here, fiscal year 18, at least that's the headline of it. And these are the plans that they came up with in District 230 as well. So you want to make sure that there are goals in mind, that there are plans for the students, and you want to make sure that the school district follows through with them. They all have to follow some sort of Illinois standards and make sure that their students are graduating with the basic needs that they are supposed to have before they leave their school district. And also about District 230, for example, they give you the boundary maps of what makes up the Andrew, Sandburg, and Stagg school district or school systems. They also have information about their departments within their district system as well, and resources about each individual school or the school district in general of what they offer in terms of food assistance or fitness centers and what their emergency closing policies are. It's important to know all this information because this is where 2/3 of your property taxes are going to in terms of school districts, whether it's at the elementary school level or at the high school level or even at the community college level. So it's important to know what the policies are because those policies are coming out of your wallet in the form of property taxes that you pay every year. And once again, the website for this is d230.org.